Primary data collection involves gathering information directly from original sources. There are several methods for collecting primary data, and the choice of method depends on the nature of the research, the objectives, and the resources available. Here are some common methods of primary data collection. 1. Surveys and questionnaires. Description: surveys involve asking individuals or groups of people a set of predetermined questions. Implementation: surveys can be conducted through face-to-face interview, telephone interviews, mail surveys, online surveys, or a combination of these methods. To interviews. Description: interviews involve direct interaction between the researcher and the respondent to gather information. Implementation: interviews can be structured with predetermined questions or unstructured, open-ended discussions. They can be conducted face-to-face, over the phone, or through video calls. 3. Observation. Description: this method involves systematically observing and recording behavior, events, or activities. Implementation: observations can be conducted. Thank you.